Bangladesh is a beautiful country. Whatever you know, I am a shopkeeper and I am trying to growing my business. This is my shop. Here I serve computer service such as mail service, online application service, visa application service, passport application service, and all kind of online application can you complete by my shop. And saloon have 2 chairs, 2 basin, and electric product selling.